Hello everyone, this is Sabrina from Shenzhen LongRun Optoelectronic Company. We are at 2026 InfoComm Las Vegas. With me today is our COB 1.25mm texture screen. This is indoor screen you could be wall mounting. So turn off the screen that is texture. This is marble design. And turn on the screen that is you could display the image videos as normal. We also have different texture could be choose, like this is wooden, this is marble. So you could show us your needs and we could printing it like this. And we also have MIP technology. And standard brightness of the COB 600 nits. We also have high brightness for indoor 1500 nits. If your screen faces the sun or have a lighting on that, you could choose our high brightness one. If you are interested in our products, please visit our website www.longrunled.com. Thank you.